Okay, hi everybody. Here we are at the Glennie School getting ready for the Glennie Fair on Sunday, and here we have our fabulous organising committee. Hello, organising committee. Hi. Can you please tell us a little bit of what we have on this Sunday at the Glennie Fair, please?
Okay guys, let's have a look at our list. We've got Alvin the avocado. Come and get your photo taken with him, girls, and buy heaps of fruit and veggies. We've got the lovely girls in the office doing school tours. We've got the community police in uniform coming to look after us. You can get money from the ATM. We've got that organised, and we've got coffee covered from 2 moves. What else have we got, boss?
A bit of tea hut, boost juice. We'll have boost juice. The firefighters, some with clothes on, some without, with the calendars. The RSPCA with the kittens and the puppies. That'll be awesome. People jumping out of the sky. Buy your jump lotto tickets, guys, if you haven't already. $5 each. Karen, with your camels.
Oh yes, we've got camel rides down on the oval. We've got pony rides, but we also have a donkey. We can go to the fantastic cupcake stall, and we've got all the sweets.
We've got the barbecue and the crepe stall that the French immersion guys are looking after. We've got heaps of music over here on the stage. We've got a sand wizard and the homemade dumplings. There's also a 55-inch smart screen TV that you could win on the raffle, so make sure you get your tickets.
Yes,
It's all multi-draw.
Where's it from? Better Electrical.
Better Electrical.
We've got gluten-free, yummy, delicious donuts. He's coming this year, guys. We've got a jewellery voucher from Hogan's for $400. Come and get tickets in the multi-draw raffle. Heaps and heaps of rides, new ones. Dodgem cars are already set up, girls. Aquathon early in the morning. You got to come and check out the balcony bar on the veranda outside the art room, styled by Harold's Finishing Touches, supported by Range Event Hire. What else we got, boss?
Oh, no, I'm stuck in the bar. I can't get past the bar. It's real this year, guys. It's not just hidden away. It's out in the balcony. It's awesome. Fishing stall for little ones, raffles, sample bags, coin toss, stilt walkers. There's people walking around dressed up as characters of some sort. Food, drink, cakes. We're getting there. What else have we got?
We've got lucky dips for all ages. We've got mystery bottles full of lollies again. We've got dancing dog obedience. We've got over 50 market stalls with absolutely everything and some trendy stuff. We've got the women's rugby sevens down on the oval again, and the Glennie gift where the girls all enjoy. We've got some gymnastics cheer with lots of performances on the oval as well. What else have we got, Tony?
We've got the wildlife displays, the hot spuds, the snow cones, fairy floss, popcorn, the pig races, Noah's Farm, and lots of performances on the stage throughout the day.
Otherwise, we've had nothing to do all week.
Exactly.
So if you're busy, come along. If you're not busy, come along.
Come along. And we'll see
And
you
we'll
all
see you
on
all
Sunday.
on
Sunday! Please support us. Woohoo!